Ayurvedic infused herbs in their products, which I was like very mesmerized. And make sure to hit the like button in this video, and if you haven't subscribed so far my channel, please my beautiful people, my lovely people, do subscribe my channel. मैं बहुत कोशिश कर रही हूँ आगे जाके बहुत ही कुछ अच्छे अच्छे वीडियोस लाने के लिए, जिसमें होगा ब्यूटी, मेकअप, फैशन, प्रोडक्ट रिव्यूज, DIYs, मच मोर. सो डू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. बहुत सारे लोग वीडियोस तो देख रहे हैं लेकिन सब्सक्राइब भूल जा रहे हैं, या पता नहीं. इफ़ यू डू लाइक माई चैनल कंटेंट, प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. इससे मेरे को मिलेगा ढेर सारा इंस्पिरेशन यार. बहुत सारे इंस्पिरेशन, सपोर्ट की चाहिए चाहिए ही चाहिए. आपकी वजह से ही हो पाएगा. तो प्लीज़ प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. आपके फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली मेम्बर्स को भी मेरे वीडियो शेयर कीजिएगा, एंड प्लीज़ मेक देम ऑल्सो सब्सक्राइब. एंड इन फ्यूचर आई माइट गो विथ गिव अवेज एंड लॉट्स. हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल. तो आप सब लोग जानते हो, अगर आप मेरे रेगुलर व्यूअर है तो आप सभी को मालूम होगा ही, मैं आयुर्वेदिक रिलेटेड, हर्ब्स रिलेटेड जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स होता है ना, आई वुड लव देम टू जस्ट यूज़ एंड जस्ट ट्राई देम आउट. तो उसमें से एक और प्रोडक्ट आज मैं आप सभी के सामने लेके आई हूँ, वो है कामा आयुर्वेदा का प्रोडक्ट्स. कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स मैंने उनके फ्री ट्रैवल साइज सेक्शन में जाके लेके आऊँ. अगर आपको पता नहीं था, उनके वेबसाइट में एक मेनू के सेक्शन के अंदर फ्री ट्रैवल साइज प्रोडक्ट्स भी है. जाके ज़रूर चेकआउट करना. और इफ पॉसिबल, इफ़ यू वांटेड, इफ़ यू विश, यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो एंड परचेज देयर प्रोडक्ट्स फॉर अ वेरी मिनिमल अमाउंट. एंड छोटी 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 ट्रैवल साइज का प्रोडक्ट्स वहाँ पे आपको मिल जाएगा. मतलब हर एक वेरिएंट्स, जितने भी उनके वेरिएंट्स हैं ना, वहाँ पे आपको मिलेगा. जो भी चाहिए आप उनको कार्ट में डालिएगा. जस्ट 3 प्रोडक्ट्स के बाद आप कोई प्रोडक्ट्स ऐड नहीं कर सकते हो. ओनली 3 प्रोडक्ट्स यू कैन ऐड इट इन द कार्ट एंड परचेज देम एज अ फ्री ट्रैवल साइज प्रोडक्ट्स. एंड ये एक ही टाइम के लिए आप परचेज कर सकते हो. कामा आयुर्वेदा प्रोडक्ट के बारे में मैं क्या बताऊँ, आप सभी को मालूम है, वो इंडियाज़, आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी गुड आयुर्वेदिक प्रोडक्ट्स. 100% नेचुरल आयुर्वेदिक हर्ब से बनाया हुआ प्रोडक्ट्स वहाँ पे आपको मिल जाता है. हर एक ऑनलाइन स्टोर्स में आपको मिल जाता है कामा आयुर्वेदिक का प्रोडक्ट्स. एंड आई वॉज लाइक वेरी ईगर टू यूज़ दैम. बट अनएक्सपेक्टेडली, मतलब जब मैं उनके डायरेक्टली वेबसाइट पे जाके चेकआउट करी, आई फेल्ट लाइक जब ये दूसरे ऑनलाइन स्टोर्स में जो बिक रहे हैं ना उनके प्रोडक्ट्स, आई फेल्ट लिटिल बिट प्राइजेस हायर देन व्हाट दे हैव इन देयर वेबसाइट. बट स्टिल दे आर एक्सपेंसिव. उतना तेल के लिए 1000 रुपये मैं तो यूज़ नहीं करना चाहती थी. बट सरप्राइजिंगली मेरे को ये जो ट्रैवल साइज का सेक्शन था, मेरे को बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोडक्ट्स है. लेकिन आपको 3 ही प्रोडक्ट्स मिलेंगे कार्ट में ऐड करने के लिए. बाकी कभी ऐड किया रहता तो भी अच्छा रहता था. आई कुड हैव टेस्टेड ऑल देयर प्रोडक्ट्स. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली 3 प्रोडक्ट्स ही ऐड कर सकते हो. तो ग्रैब देम यार. गो एंड जस्ट गेट देम फॉर योर सेल्फ इफ यू वांट टू टेस्ट एंड यूज देयर प्रोडक्ट्स. If you are interested in using Kama Ayurveda products, I was very feeling excited to use their products. Then I selected 3 products from that section, and they delivered this product so well. I did not expect this. It's so good, strong cardboard box they have delivered this product. And this is a bubble wrap done. And if you see the products are very small, but yeah, their products are like awesome. And this is their products. This was how it was delivered. 3 products. So you can only select 3 products directly from their website, and you will pay the amount of 250 or so, including delivery charges. So these are the 3 products I have ordered. I will show you one by one. And you can just log in, you can just have a Google search of Kama Ayurveda website, and you will directly get into there. Just select and directly get into their website, and just go to their menu section and just find the free travel size products. So there you can select, every variants are there. You can select any of the 3 products. And I think each and every products quality, I mean quantity. Ayurveda, you all know, it's an Indian based company which has a huge number of variants related to skincare, hair care, body care, even healthcare related too. So I was like, I wanted to use any of their products. Then I thought, okay, this will be a good go to try them. If at all I find them good, yeah, I would definitely go and purchase in future. Okay, so fine. What are the three products I have ordered is organic neem cold pressed oil, neem cold pressed oil, which is of 8 ml and it is 100% natural. It is 100% natural, and this is how it is come. This is how it is packed, so beautifully and so cute it is. You can see it, and I just opened this, and I have showed you one of my video. I have already used this neem oil, which is a cold press oil, so very good for your skin and hair. And this is how the cute chotusa bottle looks like. This is Kama Ayurveda ka neem cold pressed oil, organic neem oil. So this is the first product, and let me tell you, the shelf life is again 2 years, and price is again 100 rupees. This one product is 100 rupees. The next one I have ordered is Kama Ayurveda's Bringadi intensive hair treatment. Again, it is 100% natural, 8 ml it is of. Okay, and they have a very cute packagings which I really loved it. But I feel no, their products are really very expensive. So this is how they've packed it, and they have cute messages on them and what are the ingredients. And this is again oil. This is the Bringadi oil. I wanted Bringaraj oil, so this is Bringadi oil. It means the same. Okay, so intensive hair treatment oil. Again, this is of 100 rupees with yeah, 20 to 22. I mean 2020 to 2022. That is 2 years again shelf life. It's a made in India product, 100%, and 100 rupees with 8 ml. This is again 8 ml. So cute chotu sa bottle it is. I can do one thing. I can mix this in any of the career oil which is very light, and definitely I will make use of this like anything. And again, this neem oil, I'll be mixing it in my hair care routine, or mask, hair mask, or face packs, or also, yeah, you can have a multiple uses of these two oils as well. I mean, this is for hair, sorry, this is for hair, and this I'm gonna use it for like everything. And neem essential oil, it is an antimicrobial, antifungal, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory properties in this neem oil. So it is like wow for both skin, hair, body. You can also mix it in your body wash and use it for body wash. And for face, you can use it in face mask, face packs, and hair mask and hair pack, whatnot. The third last product I had ordered is Suvarna Haldi Chandan brightening mask, sorry, face pack. So Haldi, this is what it is written. And ingredients are Fuller's Earth. It has multani mitti, my favorite multani mitti, citrus, and they have citrus peel powder, which is orange peel, and they have rose petal powder, they have neem powder, and they have amba haldi in this, and they have oatmeal and sandalwood oil. Wow, my god, it's a mixture of so many infusions done in this particular product. And what was this? Haldi Chandan brightening face pack. You should definitely go and try once. And warning, different skin types react differently to natural products. Conduct a patch test by applying small quantity on inner elbow and leave it for 30 minutes. Discontinue if any irritation occurs, and wash thoroughly with the clean water for external use only. So that is it. Free from artificial preservatives, colorants, fragrances, petrochemicals as well, and it is cruelty free and vegan. So yes, and this is again 5 grams. It has a shelf life of around 4 years. 100 rupees is the product price. And I will show you, this is again a small box pack. This is a face pack powder. I obviously it will be a lesser quantity. So this is how the bottle, cute dabby looks like. Same as lip balms, we do have khadi and other lip balms, right? It's the same kind, same size. I guess it is 5 grams. So I might be mixing it in some multani mitti, or even basin is there. I think at least for one time this will go. And I really love their packaging. These small products, I mean small quantity also, they maintain their quality and quantity is very good. I'm not able to, you get the lid after opening, and you know what, I've still not opened it and the smell is coming. Like I can smell, the pure sandalwood smell. Oh my god, it's so authentic, it's so nice, you feel so calming sensation. I have not yet opened it and the smell is just coming out. You find this only when the product, and the ingredients mixed in it has all 100% natural herbs mixed in it, and this is the original smell you get from that product, if it is really Ayurvedic one. Oh my god, it's like relaxing. Very nice. You must give it a try. I have still not opened it and this is smelling so nice, yeah. Pure haldi, pure sandalwood. Oh my god, see the texture? I don't even want to waste a pinch of this. It's so pure, it's so pure. Definitely I will try this in future. I would buy the products, but yeah, request from me. And yeah, see this, they have, you can feel, seeing the powder you will feel, all the things mentioned in this are really mixed. I'm like good to go, good to go, good to go. Matlab words are not coming in my mouth. It's so pure, yeah, so nice. I love this one. I love this face pack, yeah. Okay, so it has turmeric, sandalwood. Oh my god, what not, yeah. Rose petal powder it has. Orange peel powder, yes, orange smell, sandalwood smell. My god, it is so, sandalwood oil. I love it. Amba haldi. Oatmeal is also mixed. Oatmeal is also mixed. Wow, very nice. You should definitely give a try. And let me tell you, this is nowhere a promotion, nowhere what they call it as um, paid promotion, nothing. This is my own money. I have invested and bought it just to try, just to give a try, and I'm so feeling very eager to use this particular face pack. Yes, definitely I will share you the reviews. Stay tuned to my channel and definitely go and visit their website, and if in case I get their links, I would share it in the description box below. So cute, and they are so pure in their nature. They have all natural ingredients. I really can feel it. This is my honest review. I have not yet used it. I have used only the neem oil, and yeah, bringadi oil also will be good. And yeah, if you want me to open and show, and I'm so eager to use this face pack. Yeah, it's so good. Oh my god. So there's a lid. It's not even open. I am just open in front of you, and I can smell it. Yeah, pure bringadi smell. Pure, pure oil. What I can say. I'm not getting any words to say. Yeah, it's really good. It's really good. I will tell you what are the ingredients infused in this. Ingredients, they have some kind of might be I'll not be able to spell it rightly, but definitely I would share this, whatever is there here in this pack. I would definitely share a pic of this. At this I will definitely share you picture by picture. You can just have a look. and definitely give it a try. If at all you want to try their products, it's really very authentic, 100% natural, vegan free products. So these three I've purchased it for 250 rupees, and yes, good to go. Once whenever I'm using this face pack, I would definitely be sharing you the review. Bringadi oil, the smell is very awesome. I would not waste a pinch of this again. Yeah, I would mix it with some other oil and I will definitely use it for some longer time. And yeah, if possible, I would definitely purchase this in future and use it. Yeah. So this is how they had sent me. Might be these are the newly launched product, might be, so I don't know. These were the cards which were there in the box when I opened it. So if you would like to try their rose water and this soap free face cleanser, definitely give a try. These two, I wanted to try them and I invested my money and bought them, and I really like this again and again. This brightening face mask, it was like authentic. Smelling is, fragrance is very good. Okay, this is it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Do follow me on my Instagram page. My Instagram handle will be mentioned over here or in the description box for sure. And make sure to hit the like button in this video, and if you haven't subscribed so far my channel, please my beautiful people, my lovely people, do subscribe my channel. मैं बहुत कोशिश कर रही हूँ आगे जाके बहुत ही कुछ अच्छे अच्छे वीडियोस लाने के लिए, जिसमें होगा ब्यूटी, मेकअप, फैशन, प्रोडक्ट रिव्यूज़, DIYs, मच मोर. सो डू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. बहुत सारे लोग वीडियोस तो देख रहे हैं लेकिन सब्सक्राइब भूल जा रहे हैं, आप पता नहीं. इफ़ यू डू लाइक माई चैनल कंटेंट, प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. इससे मेरे को मिलेगा ढेर सारा इंस्पिरेशन यार. बहुत सारा इंस्पिरेशन, सपोर्ट की चाहिए ही चाहिए. आपकी वजह से ही हो पाएगा. तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. आपके फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली मेम्बर्स को भी मेरे वीडियो शेयर कीजिएगा, एंड प्लीज़ मेक देम ऑल्सो सब्सक्राइब. एंड इन फ्यूचर आई माइट गो with giveaways, and lots are coming on the way as and when I see growth in my channel. या टचवुड बोलते हैं ना, टचवुड. तो सब सही होगा तो बहुत ही अच्छी कंटेंट्स, गिव अवेज भी कंडक्ट करने वाली हूँ मेरे चैनल पे. तो मेक श्योर यू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. दैट इज इट. यू आर मोस्ट लवली पीपल अराउंड देयर वाचिंग आउट माय वीडियोस. थैंक यू सो मच. इसी तरह सपोर्ट करते रहिएगा.